Hi, my name is Jessie and I'm going to share with you the top 3 most effective treatment to transform your skin without breaking your bank account. I'm here to share with you the cheats to getting great skin with these 3 most sought after treatments. The best thing is that they are all under $200 and most importantly, they are all natural too. Rank number 3 is the Specular Sponge Peel. Sponge specular therapy comes from purified natural deep ocean seaweed shown here. It is completely natural, vegan and 100% ecological. These nanobiological speculas are a hydrolyte of the purest organisms in the world. During the treatment, the small spongy speculas will enter into your skin. You will feel slight tingling sensation during the treatment, which can be tolerated. The microparticles of the specula, rich in minerals, penetrates into the dermal layer of the skin and makes fine wounds for 36 to 72 hours. During this process, the dormant derminal cells wakes up and attack the specula to protect. Activated dermal cells by specula, the skin itself will recover and promote synthesis of collagen and elastin. Through the natural exfoliation effects, the skin restores to great health and peels off all the dead skin without any risk of side effect. Next, rank number 2 is the Plasma Fibroblast Non-Surgical Facelift. Plasma Fibroblast therapy uses a plasma pen device that discharges a tiny gaseous arc of ionized plasma gas to small areas of the skin. Plasma tip does not touch the skin but instead releases a target microcurrent just above the skin. These pulses then superficially carbonize the skin, causing the immediate surrounding skin to shrink. This way, the loose skin instantly tightens. The treated areas start healing in the forms of little dots. These dots or crust gradually drops off, tightening the under tissues and stimulating huge amount of natural collagen production, resulting in tighter, softer and smoother skin that lasts up to a couple of years. The technique causes skin fibers to pull closer together, resulting in a tightening and lifting effect. In short, it gives you a more natural and youthful appearance. And on the top of the list, number 1 is plasma-rich platelets, also known as PRP and PRF. F refers to fibrin. Both are repairing and skin rejuvenating treatments that uses super healing growth factors in your own blood. PRP treatments are also known as vampire facials. PRP and PRFs are full of natural growth factors found in your own blood, rich in platelets, white blood cells, fibrin. This substance stimulates collagen production, elastin and new cell growth. Both treatments are effective in treating fine lines and wrinkles, plumps up the skin, improves tones and texture, fading dark spots and other signs of aging. PRP and PRFs are typically used to treat under eyes, cheeks, smile lines, lips, hands, neck, chin, so on and so forth. It is also used on the scalp to stimulate hair growth. What more, the blood from your own body. Therefore, there's no chance of rejection, no risk of allergies or side effects. If these 3 treatments are not enough for you, there is one bonus for you that you could try. Fractional RF microneedling is still one of the favorite for a couple years running now. Radiofrequency microneedling uses tiny needles and radio frequency waves to rejuvenate facial skin. Small pins sit on the surface of the skin and emits radio frequency energy into the epidermis. The radio frequency energy creates heat in the skin and simultaneously ablates tiny channels of the epidermis, stimulating a wound healing response. All of this is done fractionally in tiny pinpoints, having great effects but not requiring a long time for the skin to heal. The treatment is a form of controlled skin injury. The damage stimulates the growth of the healthy new skin, which can benefit common skin issues such as acne scars, stretch marks, wrinkles and many more. The skin also grows back thicker and smoother. You can also get radiofrequency microneedling together with PRP. After a RF microneedling session, the platelets can be injected or applied on the treated area. This will maximize the result of your treatment. At Beauty Recipe, we offer these services and training courses in our Singapore branches except PRP and fractional RF microneedling, which will be done at our Malaysia outlet in JB. Contact us to book an appointment to get a free consultation to see which treatment you can pick to achieve the effects of firm glowing skin. See you at Beauty Recipe.